Today we are making Turkish coffee chocolate mousse with toasted pistachios. It serves 6 people and takes about 30 minutes of prep, plus 2 hours to chill. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 7 ounces of dark chocolate, finely chopped. This is the base of our mousse. 1½ cups of cold heavy cream. This will be whipped to make the mousse airy. 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar to lightly sweeten the cream. 1/3 cup of strong brewed Turkish coffee, fully cooled. This adds deep flavor. 1½ teaspoons of unflavored powdered gelatin to help the mousse set. 2 tablespoons of cold water to bloom the gelatin. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. It pairs beautifully with Turkish coffee. A small pinch of fine sea salt to balance the sweetness. 1/2 cup of shelled pistachios for toasting and garnish. Optional, 1 teaspoon of finely grated orange zest for a citrus lift. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Toast 1/2 cup of shelled pistachios in a dry black cast iron skillet over medium heat, stirring until fragrant and lightly golden, about 3 to 5 minutes. Move them to a cutting board to cool. Brew strong Turkish coffee, measure 1/3 cup, and let it cool completely. Finely chop 7 ounces of dark chocolate and place it in a heatproof glass bowl. In a small bowl, sprinkle 1½ teaspoons of powdered gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Pour the cooled 1/3 cup of brewed coffee into a small saucepan, warm it until steaming, then stir in the bloomed gelatin until fully dissolved. Take it off the heat. Place the bowl of chopped chocolate over a small saucepan of gently simmering water and pour in the hot coffee gelatin mixture. Stir until the chocolate melts completely and the mixture is smooth. Take the bowl off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, a small pinch of sea salt, and, if you like, 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Let the chocolate base cool for 10 minutes until lukewarm. In a large chilled bowl, whip 1½ cups of cold heavy cream with 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar until you get soft peaks. Fold 1/3 of the whipped cream into the lukewarm chocolate base to lighten it. Gently fold in the remaining whipped cream until just combined and glossy, taking care not to deflate the mixture. Spoon or pipe the mousse into 6 clear dessert cups and smooth the tops evenly. Refrigerate the mousse cups for at least 2 hours until fully set. When the pistachios are cool, roughly chop the toasted nuts on the cutting board. Top each mousse with the chopped toasted pistachios and serve right away. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Turkish coffee chocolate mousse, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more delicious videos. See you next time.